Hello everyone, welcome back to a brand new Tech Reviews and Gadgets episode where today we're reviewing an indoor 360-degree security camera. And you guys are currently watching CrewElite. In today's episode, we're reviewing a 360-degree indoor security camera from the company Nooie. And this security camera is a 1080p resolution, it has night vision, it has two-way audio, it has motion detection, it even has a pan tilt with the camera that moves automatically if it detects detection. So there's a lot of features that this security camera actually has to offer. But before we actually get started with this Tech Reviews and Gadgets episode, make sure you guys go down below and hit that subscribe button and turn on post notifications on to get updates and alerts whenever we do upload. If you guys do enjoy this video after watching it, make sure you guys go down below and leave a like. That just informs me and lets me know if you guys are enjoying these kinds of videos. If you guys have any questions or concerns about this product, make sure you guys go down below and leave a comment as I reply and read every single comment I receive. So if you guys have any inquiries whatsoever, please feel free to ask me. If you guys want to follow us on our various social media platforms, our social media accounts and links are down below in the description. You guys can follow us to stay connected and also get updates whenever we do upload. And then if you're a business owner or a company owner interested in our product review in the future, our business inquiries email is CrewElite@outlook.com. You guys can send me a message and we can potentially work together on a future product review. And then lastly, if you guys actually want to purchase or check out this product, there will be links down below for you guys to make a purchase and also check out this product down below in the description. So right now what we're going to do is move on to the first look and unboxing portion of this video. So, as you guys can see, the box of this security camera is fairly simple. You guys can see there's a few specifications and details along the side, but what we're going to do is actually move this onto a secondary camera angle so you guys can have a closer shot at this product. As you guys can see on the front of the box, we get a picture of the security camera kind of sketched out, and you guys can see it just says Nooie 360 Cam. So you guys can see it's a 360-degree camera. On this side, this is where you guys get a lot of specifications about this security camera. It's a 1080p Full HD. It has a pan tilt control, motion detection, two-way audio, cloud or store locally, meaning that you guys can either put an SD card in or actually store all the footage onto the application itself. And then it also has night vision. And then on this side, you guys can see it's just some pictures. And on this side, you guys can see this is just the model reference. So what we're gonna do now is actually proceed to unbox this security camera. So all you need to do is lift up this flap, but I do want to mention to you guys, this is the second time I'm shooting this video. So that's why the packaging does look like it's already been tampered with. So you guys can see I kind of didn't put everything back the way it was, but you guys can see this is our power adapter. So you guys can, plug this micro USB into the camera and power your security cam. Inside the packaging, you guys can see this right here is the security cam itself. You guys can see how it looks really nice and it just looks very durable. It has a really sleek design and modern design finishing, which I really like about this security camera. We're gonna put that off to the side as well. We also get a few more things inside the box. So you guys can see we got some stickers of the security camera. You guys can use this to stick around on your windows or just anywhere practically. Right here we just have a product card that you guys can look into. And then right here we have our user manual. You guys, I do recommend you guys read this to actually understand how to set up this security camera. It's going to be really useful, especially the first time you set this up. But after you set it up, you don't really have to worry about resetting it up. We also get included some screws and some mounting plates that you guys can use to mount this onto your walls, you know, inside your house or onto your ceilings and stuff. So it is really nice that they included all these accessories. What you guys are currently looking at is everything that's actually included with the packaging, the user manual, the stickers, the mounting plates and screws. We get the product card. We also get the security cam itself right here, and then also the charging brick and the micro USB cable that you guys need to plug in to power on this security camera. So this is everything that's included with the packaging. I really like how they included all those accessories and a little, you know, a few different add-ons that you guys can use and implement, which is really nice that they did that. So right now, all that's left to do is move on to the testing and demonstration portion of this video. Alright guys, so we're actually ready to plug in the security camera and give it a test. So all we need to do is plug it, the cable into the power supply. So I plug that in. We're gonna keep this on the table. And then you just go onto the back of the security camera. You guys can see there is a slot. And I do need to mention that there is a reset button with the security camera. So if you do need to reset it, there's a button right there. And you guys can see there's little speakers and stuff. And I don't know if you guys can see that, but there is a red indication light. My studio lights are so bright, so I don't know if you guys can see that, but there is a faint red indication, meaning that this is getting powered on. So what it's gonna do now is gonna start moving. I don't know if you guys can see that on the secondary camera angle. It's just moving automatically by itself. So once that red faint light starts flashing, which it is flashing in our case, you guys can see, I don't know if you guys can see that, but this red light is flashing. So basically what that means is you can open up the application and connect this security camera to your phone or device that you're using to connect to it. So what we're gonna do is open up the Nooie application. So let me scroll down. We're going to open up Nooie Cam. You guys can get this on Google Play or on the iOS App Store, depending on your device. We are going to sign in, so you guys can see I signed in. So when you guys actually open up this application for the first time, it's going to ask for you to enter your credentials and actually create an account. So once you create an account, it will take you to this home page. And next up, all you need to do is click on the plus sign, and this is going to give you a bunch of cameras, different types of cameras that Nooie actually sells. So you click on the camera that your camera is. So in our case, our camera is the Nooie Cam 360. So we're going to click on that. It's going to say, please make sure that your camera is powered on and within the Wi-Fi range, which in our case it is. And then please wait for approximately 15 seconds until the indicator light flashes red, which in our case is flashing red. So we can click on red light is on. It's going to ask you for your Wi-Fi password, so make sure you put in those credentials in. And once you put in your Wi-Fi credentials, it's going to take you to the page that has the QR code that you need to put in front of your camera. So this is going to be interesting, right? So you're going to actually hold this phone up to the camera, and once it picks up this QR code, the red light that's actually flashing is going to turn to white. Or I should say a steady white. So that means it's pairing successfully. So what we need to do is basically hold this up to the front of the camera and connect it with my phone. So let's do that. You guys can hear it's connecting. I can see there's a white light that's flashing. So let's see, once it turns steady white, that means it's connected successfully. So let's wait until that happens. Alright, so currently the security camera now has a steady white light. I don't know if you guys can see that on the secondary camera angle, but there is a steady white light, meaning that this has paired up successfully. So now you click on next. It says it's pairing, so let's see what happens after these 2 minutes. And you guys can see, I think it connected. Let's see. Oh, there we go. So you guys can see on my phone screen, this has actually successfully connected. Let me just push it back. So, hello guys. I don't know if you guys can see that on my phone camera, or I should say my phone screen, but it is actually working properly. So, you know, with this setting menu or the setup, you guys can go in and customize everything, you know. You guys can customize the audio recording. Do you want it to record or capture audio? Of course. Status lights. You can rotate your images to different, you know, rotations. There's even motion tracking, which we are going to turn on. Night vision. which is on auto at the moment. Synchronize time, which synchronizes the time setting that you have your phone set up to. Motion detection, you can set it up so it can receive alerts. So the more sensitive it is, right now we have it at low sensitivity. You can receive an alert on your phone or device letting you know, hey, we detected some motion. Like you guys can see, it just detected some motion in my office camera. Let me put that off to the side. You can also have sound detection on. So if it hears audio, it's gonna basically detect and send you an alert on your phone, same as the motion detection. You can change the sensitivity and also the timing of that. You can go into your storage. You guys can save your footage onto your SD card, or you can save your, see, it detected my voice, or you can actually save it onto a cloud that you guys can subscribe to. Camera info. That's all just stuff that you guys don't need to see. Camera sharing, you guys can send this camera to view. Other people can view your camera, which is really nice. So let's go back. You guys can see we can start recording by clicking on the record button. Yeah, we gotta allow. And right now it's currently recording whatever is going on. Whatever the camera is capturing. And since we have motion tracking feature that's enabled right now, we can actually get up right now, and the camera in theory should actually follow me. So let's do that. All right, you gonna follow me, camera? I'm over here now. Let's see. So you guys can see it is shifting. The camera is legitimately moving as I'm walking away from it. Let's go back now. Oh, I'm over here. All right. You guys can see it is basically moving as I'm moving. So the motion tracking, it works perfectly fine with this security camera. You guys can also take some pictures of the live feed that you're getting directly on the security camera, and you can also talk to the security camera. So right now, let's see. Hello?
Hello?
You guys can see.
Oh,
we have interference. But you guys can see there is actually a microphone in the security camera, so you guys can, in theory, talk to people if you detect anything, or if someone's in the house, you can be like, hey, what are you doing in my house? So I like how they have that feature. So there's two-way talk with this security camera. Very, very, very nice. Very nice indeed. I really like how they implemented all these features into the design. There's obviously a few things we still need to test out, which is night vision. And what I'm going to do is include a clip right here of me using the security cam in the nighttime. So what we're going to do now is actually move on to the final reflections and remarks, and then end off this video. So what are my final opinions and remarks about the Nooie 360 cam? I think that this is a fantastic product to keep, just to keep in your mind, It's just for safekeeping's sake, you never know what can happen. And I just feel like with this packaging and how modern and sleek the design of the security camera is, it looks really presentable. It's just really nice that it has all those features like motion tracking, sound tracking. You guys can see it's still tracking me right now. And I also like that there's night vision, so like in nighttime, you guys can use this to track things at night. And it's just something just to keep your mind at ease, I should say. So I really do think that this is an ideal product. Sometimes things just don't seem right in your neighborhood or don't seem right around you, and just having stuff like this around keeps your mind at ease. But anyways, we're all gonna wrap up this video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this tech reviews and gadgets episode, and if you guys did, make sure you guys go down below and hit that subscribe button and turn on post notifications on to get updates and alerts whenever we do upload. If you guys have any questions or concerns about the Nooie camera, make sure you guys go down below and leave a comment, as I reply and read every single comment I receive. If you guys have any want to actually leave a like after watching this video, I will greatly appreciate it, as it informs me and lets me know if you guys are enjoying these kinds of videos. Want to follow us on our various social media platforms. Our social media accounts and links are down below in the description. You guys can follow us to stay connected and also get updates whenever we do upload. If you're a business owner or a company owner interested in a product review in the future, our business inquiries email is CrewElite@outlook.com. You guys can send me a message and we can potentially work together on a future product review. And then the last thing is, if you guys want to purchase or check out this product, there will be links down below for you guys to make a purchase and also get more information about this product down below in the description. But anyways, hopefully you guys enjoyed this tech reviews and gadgets episode. I know I did making it, and I'll see you guys all on the next episode. CrewElite signing out. Thank you all for watching and have a good rest of your day.